Discord's overlay is incredibly useful for chatting while gaming, but when it stops working, it can be frustrating. If the overlay isn't showing up in your games, don't worry. This issue is usually caused by settings, permissions, or software conflicts. In this guide, I'll show you the best ways to fix Discord overlay not working. First, make sure the overlay feature is actually enabled. Open Discord settings, go to Game Overlay, and verify that the Enable in-game overlay option is turned on. Next, check whether the overlay is enabled for your game. Some games may have overlay disabled individually, even if the global setting is turned on. Overlay issues are often related to permissions. Try closing Discord completely and reopening it as an administrator. This allows Discord to interact properly with games running on your system. In some cases, hardware acceleration can interfere with the overlay. Open Discord settings, disable hardware acceleration, and restart the app to apply the changes. Some third-party apps like screen recorders, RGB software, or other overlays can conflict with Discord. Temporarily close these programs and test the overlay again. If the overlay still isn't working, update Discord and your graphics drivers. Compatibility issues between games and outdated software can sometimes prevent the overlay from appearing. And that's how to fix Discord overlay not working. By checking settings, permissions, and software conflicts, you can usually get the overlay running again in just a few minutes. So yeah, hopefully you're back to gaming with Discord right on your screen. Thanks for watching.